Hey guys, today I'm so excited to share with you this waterproof surge protector that we just received. It is almost Christmas time, so it is time to go outside and put up our lights for the Christmas season. And something that I'm always looking for is a surge protector that's waterproof. In the past, I've tried to put baggies around the surge protectors to make sure water doesn't get in and to protect the lights and the surge protector. But with this one, I don't have to because it's waterproof. You can see here it's got two 3-prong outlets on the front, and then you have one 3-prong outlet on these. So this provides you three 3-prong extensions, and then this cord. Holy moly. So let's get this installed outside with this 25-foot cord to get our Christmas lights up and decorated on the house. Enjoy!